Good afternoon, Manufacturing All-Stars, and welcome to this episode of Manufacturing Happy Hour. Today, you are going to learn how to improve flow measurement through integrated flow computing. This is especially important if you are in the oil and gas industry. I'm joined by Aric Prost from Prosoft Technologies. Cheers, Aric.
Cheers, Chris.
Welcome to the show.
Thanks.
Now, before we get rolling, can you give a little context around who Prosoft is so they've got a little baseline for the topic we're about to present?
Sure. As everybody knows, we've been around for quite a while. We're one of Rockwell's oldest partners. Most people know us for our protocol conversion capabilities in chassis and standalone gateways, but we also do things like automated material handling, wireless, and secure remote access, as well as modernization, which is a hot topic for a lot of people out there too.
Oh, absolutely. And you know, so is integrated flow computing, and we've threw out a big word right at the start, and you know, let's set another baseline. Just in a base definition, what is integrated flow computing?
Integrated flow computing is where Rockwell and Prosoft together have a solution that can replace up to 3 pieces of hardware on a well pad. And so all of those 3 pieces of hardware can now be put into a Logix chassis.
Yeah, and we were chatting, that's the RTU, the flow computer, and the PLC, kind of all in one at that
that's
point.
correct.
So I guess to really like paint a picture of the business impact, the operational impact, can you give like a little story or a little example of what that looks like?
Sure. So our oil and gas customers are on the absolute cutting edge of technology and hardware, and that today always includes automation. So they're looking for a competitive advantage over their other competitors, both in whatever region they're in and globally. It's a huge global market, as you know. With the price of oil being fluctuating as it does on a regular basis, that becomes very important. So what we do is we give them the ability to do all those functions in one chassis, and it's a simpler, more integrated, and scalable solution that also happens to cost less.
Excellent. Now, that last one's a big topic, so I'm sure people are going to be excited to figure out, how do I get started on this today? What would be a first step to take action on this?
Yeah, so I think our ecosystem is the best in the industry. Between Rockwell, Prosoft, and our partners, we've got more local support than any of our competitors out there. So customers can either reach out to Rockwell and their sales team, their distributors, Prosoft salesperson in their region, or go online and look at our product profiles and architectures that happen to be out there for the flow computer already.
So, and on that note, to simplify things for those of you that are watching today, I will have links to Prosoft below this so you can access all of this really easily. In the meantime, Aric, thanks so much for being on the show today.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been a pleasure.
Cheers, Aric.
Cheers, Chris.
For the rest of you out there, stay innovative, stay thirsty. We'll see you again here on Manufacturing Happy Hour real soon. Cheers.